In this video, we're going to talk about the new and improved way to do Amazon Associates for 2025 and beyond into 2026, 2027. This strategy is going to be an absolute killer for you, and it's so simple, literally anybody can do it. So here's what we're going to talk through is how to do these faceless review videos. Again, most of which are going to be 60 seconds, not showing your face. One of the ones I recently did, I did show my face, but I literally just had an Amazon product screen. And these things are going to make you money for years and years and years to come. And if you don't even want to talk yourself, you can actually do slideshows and some other unique AI options, so you never have to be on screen and your voice doesn't even have to, though I think it probably would perform a little better if you did. So the way this system works is, if you're not familiar with Amazon Associates, what we want to do is create a piece of content reviewing, but our goal isn't even to convince them to buy that product. It is to get them to click the link to Amazon. The way Amazon works is it has a cookie window of 24 hours. So if someone clicks on that link for the next 24 hours, you get any sale. If they buy anything, you get a commission on any sale that Amazon makes over the next 24 hours. And most people buy on Amazon literally every day. So let's say I'm doing this dog stain and odor remover. They don't have to buy that. They can go buy their groceries. They can buy batteries. They can buy shampoo or toilet paper, and I get commissions on all of them. And I want you to see how some of these simple videos are getting 27,000 views. Now that was a little bit longer. I was actually in that one 6 minutes, so let's disregard that one. But 19,000 views, 15,000. This one right here, don't show my face, 9.8 thousand for like a $250 product that has now made me, I don't remember what the exact number is, 5, 6, 7,000, probably somewhere in that range on Amazon Associates just from that one review. Trampoline, again, I love high ticket products. In fact, the best one I've ever done was reviewing a Rolex that I bought it for my wedding and then resold it for a $500 profit afterwards. And then I got another, I don't remember exactly what it was, $400 to $500 commission for the Rolex Hulk by doing a review of it just like this. So you can see the power. You're going to make a very short video or a slideshow. Your face can be in it or not. Face is just going to invoke more trust. So if you're okay doing that, that's a great thing to do. You're just talking about products you use. It's not a big deal. But if you choose not to, 90% of these videos, you can see my face is not in them. I'm holding them. I'm talking about them. Now, I talk about this in another video, which I'll direct you to here in a minute. But these videos were originally made for something called Amazon Influencer. Amazon Influencer, if you're not familiar, let me see if I can pull up a good example for you on this. Sorry, this channel's a little raw. I try to never do edits on this channel, and we just have conversations about strategies that work. So let's see. I'm pulling up a random Amazon product right now. Perfect. This one has what I'm looking for. So here's the dog food I got from my Doberman Zeus. And you can see it has all of this stuff right here, but right on the end, it has 6 videos. So these videos are called Amazon Influencer videos. If I were to go in and watch this review, I think I have to watch like up to 30 seconds. I don't know what the number is now. But if you watch a certain percentage of the video and then I were to buy, King Gems here would get a commission on that. So that sounds really nice because Amazon puts it right on here for you. It's also sometimes down here, not always, but there's sometimes a review section down here as well. And so it sounds awesome. I will say the competition on that is so much higher than what it used to be. It absolutely still works. You just have to be more strategic about the products that you're reviewing. I'm actually going to do a video in the next few days about a software that helps you do that at a whole nother level. So if you're interested in Amazon Influencer and like really want to be doing about 6 figures a year with it, you need to have this software. But that video is coming soon, so make sure to be subscribed. So what we're going to do with Amazon Associates is create these small little videos. So there's a course that came out. It's like $17 for this thing. It's an absolute no-brainer called Cookie Dollars. If you go down the link in the description, it's going to take you to this page right here. This is a full review, a very in-depth review of the program called Cookie Dollars that uses this strategy. The Cookie Dollars is that 24-hour cookie. You want people to click on your link, and then you get commissions on everything they buy. You click right here. You also get, if you click this, it's going to take you to the Cookie Dollars page. Again, it's only $17 for this course, which is guaranteed to make money if you actually do the steps. It's very, very simple. And if you decide to purchase through my link, you also get these 4 bonuses. Again, you can watch this video for all the details on the course. We go through the sales page together. I talk about the extra bonuses that I'm going to give you to do that. Please go pick it up. It's $18 and it's going to be able to take this strategy to the next level for you. So let's just think about this for a second. If we're doing 27,000 views, 19,000, 15,000, and I don't even have that many videos on here. And one of the big differences on this channel were these weren't even optimized for Amazon sales. Because like I said, a lot of these I was doing Amazon influencer, so I wasn't even telling there's a link in the description for you to buy. So people don't know if there's a link in the description because I don't say it in the video because I couldn't, because these videos were being posted on Amazon and I just repurposed them over. So guys, look how simple this strategy is. If you want to make $50, $100, $150 a day, total I have done $180,000 between this strategy and TikTok Shop, the combination of the two, $180,000 in profit. On top of that, you'll have companies send you so many free products that you can even charge them to do reviews of products. It's unreal how much fun this side hustle is. Highly recommend reviewing high ticket stuff so you can get crazy high commissions for each sale. And even when they don't buy that item, you get commissions on anything else they do. So I highly recommend going and checking out. Here's the inside of the course. What makes Cookie Dollars a no-brainer to me, though, and I almost forgot to mention it, which is the main point I'm even referring to it, is they walk you through the strategy. That's good, but they also provide you with a software. So one of the big differences for me is I was just finding random products. It looks like I have a lot of videos on this channel, but a lot of that is because of these kind of things, which we were doing these before we started doing the Amazon influencer videos. But the software they have here, a lot of my videos, I was just grabbing stuff I had in the house and reviewing it. The software is actually going to show you where the best opportunities are. So you're going to find the products that have the ton of sales volume and not many Amazon or not many YouTube reviews. You're going to take that product, you're going to make a review, which means you're going to rank at the top of YouTube, which means it's going to get more traffic like these in here because not many people were doing reviews. And this is a perfect example because no one was using this recliner and doing reviews on it. No one was using this desk and doing reviews on it. So I got all of the traffic and made a ton of sales doing it. And so guys, this is easy. It doesn't take a lot of work. Again, anyone can point their camera at something, talk about it, or make slideshows. You post it on YouTube, your videos rank, and you get commissions day after day after day. One of the best parts of this is, and again, you're going to be doing the best products, so you're not going to have the duds that I've had. So let me show you, again, just a little example. Again, I mentioned this one right here is a new one that I tried. This is the only one I've ever made that was specifically for YouTube and not primarily for the Amazon influencer. So what I did on this one was I came in and actually just did a... What's up, guys? I want to do a quick review on this baby. Just a recording of the Amazon page and talked about it, which is such a crazy hack. You can't do that as an influencer, but you can do that when you're doing YouTube reviews. And I do have the product, so I knew how to talk about it. But so you can see this video right here, 348 views. I mean, that's awesome, right? Like a minute and 24. This one's probably made me 348 views, anywhere from 20 to like $100, depending. I have to go back and look at the stats, but 20 to $100 just for this one minute video. And I can just stack them over and over and over again. And you see some like this that are duds, but you're not going to have the duds because you have this software that I didn't have when I was making this. So guys, there's so much opportunity here. Last thing I want to point out that I was going to, and then I forgot, is if I come to analytics, this is one of the powerful things about this system. This right here, this recliner that I was reviewing, it is 3 years, 2 years. It is 2 years after I made it, and this thing has still gotten 344 views over the last 28 days. The power of YouTube is once you make these videos, you're not only going to make a little bit of money in the short term, you are going to profit off these videos for years and years and years to come. And if you stack up enough of them, there's no reason you can't be doing $50, $100, $200, $500 a day with this strategy. It just takes time to build up that library. And again, they don't get much easier than 1 to 2 minute review videos of simple, everyday products, and highly recommend, yet again, doing high ticket ones. So use that link in the description. It's going to take you to this page. You can watch my full review where I go deeper over Cookie Dollars and talk about how I made $180,000 of profit between these two things. You can see all of the bonuses that you're going to get 100% for free if you decide to buy through that link. And I go more into the software that's going to help you make crazy amounts of money with this strategy. So make sure to go down the link, pick it up. If you have any questions, you can always email me at info@jakethornhill.com. Also, once you complete your purchase of Cookie Dollars, come and email me at info@jakethornhill.com, and that's how I'll know you got it, and I can send you those bonuses 100% for free. But you can always email me as well, just with any questions you might have. Hopefully this was helpful. This is a great strategy for those of you who just want a little bit of extra money month over month and for it to continue to build. And what I would love to see happen, just to be honest, is for you to start with a strategy like this, start getting some momentum, and then there's another link down in the description, which is my free training to help you get consistent $10,000 a month to help replace your 9-to-5 income. This is a great way to start, but I would love to see you scale even beyond that. So that free training is down in the description as well. Highly recommend you grabbing that while you're here. Make sure to subscribe. I will see you very, very soon on the next video.